So, what's up? So, this is one of my most prized possessions from my House of Anubis collection because this was actually used on the set of House of Anubis in the school scenes. And it's in surprisingly good nick, seeing as it's been about for a few years and been about for a few years after production. I didn't get it right away, got it about 4 or 5 years ago, maybe, so not that long ago, really. So it's a miracle that it survived. Um, who is it? House of Anubis experts will know straight away. Pause here if you want to have a guess. But yeah, it's Amber Millington's, and it's super cool. So it's a bit scratched here and there. Could do with a repaint, but then that'd lose its originality, and it's got all these stickers on. So let's take a closer look at it.